Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you one of the best Amazon haul that I have come across in very long time. I will be showing you products that have multiple and practical uses that will make your day in the kitchen more organized. I bought all these amazing products from Amazon few weeks back, and after using them quite some time, I'm giving you reviews for all these products. It's not a promotional video. All product links are provided in the description box if you wish to buy. So let's start. Starting with this beautiful wooden tray, it's a pine wood with an antique finish. It's a very lightweight and sleek. You can use it as a snack tray, kitchen tray, or maybe for your home decor display. It's very decent looking tray, will surely add elegance to your room, even in the kitchen or in the living room. Also can be given as a gift to anyone. This is my personal favorite. I have been eyeing this product for a long time. Very beautiful and great quality. This colorful bamboo runner is 135 cm long and 30 cm wide. Best for daily use and very easy to clean. Just wipe it with a slightly wet cloth and it's done. This multi-purpose wicker basket is so pretty. You can use it on your dining table and surely it will change the whole look of your dining table. You can also use this bamboo basket for organizing your towels in bathrooms and kitchen. This gorgeous looking round printed melamine tray with easy to grip handle is very easy and practical in use and very stylish addition to any kitchen and add a chic element to serving things. You can use it on your countertop to arrange various things. I must say it will be a great addition to your kitchen. This small little ceramic tea kettle I bought because I love collecting ceramic items. And even if you don't want to use it daily, you can keep it just as a decor piece in your kitchen. This kettle is very small, suitable only for 2 to 3 cups of tea, and also this is microwave and dishwasher safe. This is high quality wooden tray. It's eco-friendly, very sturdy, and I found it very durable. It adds a rustic farmhouse touch to any room, and its vintage finish looks very gorgeous, and best part is its color combination which gives a little life to your living room or kitchen. It's 11.5 into 7 inches in size and very easily accommodate 4 to 6 small cups. A very beautiful artificial green leaf. Look at the size of this leaf. It is so pretty and perfect for home decor, for adding little brightness to your home. Its size is 71 centimeter. These are tile stickers, very colorful, and it comes in a set of 36. Its size is 6 by 6 inches. You can use these stickers on walls and even on your furnitures to add little color to your room. You can use it on your kitchen and bathroom walls too. I'm using it on my dining table just to add little design on it. Last but not the least, I have shown you this tissue box in one of my video. This, as you can see, gives a vintage rusty look, and it's made of wood and PU leather, very attractive and sturdy and big enough to accommodate big size of tissues. It will surely give elegant look to any dining table. All product links are there below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.